This video is part 2 of a series I'm putting together on tree stump removal. If you happen to miss part 1, I'll put a link below this video in the description box. You can go check that out first. For my mobile viewers, insert a card right here so you can go check out that video first. And that way, this will make more sense as we progress, as you can watch those videos in chronological order. Thank you. Alright, so it's been 3.5 weeks since I made the first video showing you how we are going about removing our tree stump here on the property. I'm now going to uncover the stump, which has been covered with a plastic garbage bag to keep the rainwater off of it. So some of the holes still have plenty of salt, others could use a bit of a refill. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those holes back up with some salt today. That's about all I'm going to do as far as treating this stump any further at this point. We need to allow even more time for that Epsom salt to draw that moisture out of the stump before we actually try chipping away at it. Just using this cheap Epsom salt I got at the discount store. I'm just going to give it a bit more moisture just to allow that magnesium sulfate to further soak into the stump. Add a little bit more in that hole. And that's it for now. I'm just going to cover it back up and give it some more time. And here's the other stump that I'm working on. I'm not even attempting to put salt in there. It's like an endless hole. Now before I add any more salt into those open holes there, I'm going to try something new here. I had quite a few comments on the previous video of folks telling me that I should have actually used an auger bit to drill these holes. It should be much easier. You could also drill a larger hole. So I decided to take the advice. I went out and got one of these 3/4 inch auger bits made for wood. Also says it can slice through nails. So this bit's thicker. It's also a bit longer. So let's open this up and give it a try. And I'll be using the same drill. This is a DeWalt 10 amp hammer drill. And last time I was using a DeWalt 7/16 inch wood drill bit. And it took a bit of muscle going in and out of the stump to get those holes drilled. Still wasn't that bad, but if the process can be streamlined, I'm going to find out and share it with you. And I made sure to buy one with a shaft that was small enough to fit into this 1/2 inch opening here. This is a 7/16 inch shaft. Alright, the moment of truth. You hear how that just opened up? It really got through. That was much easier. Much easier. And a bigger hole. Undoubtedly a much easier way to do this. And based on the feedback that this 10 amp drill has given me, I probably could have even gone with a bit as large as 1 inch without any issues here. So once again, I find myself in the position of having learned something new because of the wonderful viewers of the channel. I do appreciate all of your comments. I read them all. Your positive feedback, your constructive criticism is much appreciated, and when I'm able to apply it and improve upon what it is I'm doing because of it, I think that that's really cool, and that's one of the best things about being a YouTuber. So thank you all very much. Let's add some more salt. Looks like we got another never-ending hole there. Well, that'll conclude part 2. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for part 3. I'm going to continue to update you guys on how things develop here. And so with that, I hope you're all having a great weekend. And until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Wishing you all a great rest of your evening. I'll be talking to you again soon. Take care.